This is how close we are to the ocean. This is our porch. This is our house. Say hello, Harriet. Oh, this is our house. See? All of our windows. Jake and Ashley have went to the store, which is very close. One bathroom. Ashley and Jake's bedroom. And they have their own private bathroom. Everything is so clean and immaculate. This is the first time am I going to be able to sleep naked because Harriet and I have our own bed. And they're not